This graph has the ability to change your whole life, but the catch is, it's not the graph you must master, it's yourself.
In order for you to become a profitable trader, you need to change who you are as a person. A lot of people get this twisted. They think that if they want to be profitable traders, then they have to just learn and adopt a profitable strategy. And that's only part of being a profitable trader. But being a profitable trader requires you to change as a person. Now, what do I mean? If you are an impatient person, then you have to be patient, unfortunately. If you're a person who lacks discipline, then you're going to have to be disciplined, unfortunately. If you're a person who hates losing, then you're going to have to love losing from now on, because those are all the things that come with trading. If you actually think of it, guys, our minds were not wired for success in trading, because trading has a lot of uncertainty and our mind seeks certainty. That's why our mind was designed to survive. You needed to be certain that you are safe. You needed to be certain that you are going to have money at the end of the month to feed your children. Now with trading, it comes with a lot of uncertainty. You don't know whether you're going to make money at the end of the month. You don't even know whether you're going to make money today, tomorrow, or you know what I mean? And you don't know when you're going to get your setups, how your setups are going to form, and if your setups are going to play out. So with trading, there's a lot of uncertainty, which actually counteracts what our brains were wired for initially. You don't just become a profitable trader by learning how to trade. And that's where a lot of people get stuck, because they adopt and learn profitable strategies, but they aren't profitable because now the problem is the execution of the strategy. And what do they do when they fail to execute the strategy wrong? They go learn another thing. They become a beginner again at a whole different new concept, and it just messes everything up. Like, there's a point in time where the learning has to stop. There's a point in time where now it's time for execution. There's a point in time where learning won't do anything better. And this is another place where people get stuck, where they just keep on learning new things about the market. They fail to execute, and then they learn another thing. They fail to execute, and then they learn another thing. And then you end up having people who know more than you who's profitable, if you are profitable, more than you who's profitable about the market, but still aren't making money. There are people who know way more than me about the market. There are people who will tell me that the big banks are not moved by supply and demand. They are moved by this and that, and market draws to liquidity and the smart money, but they are broke and they are unprofitable. Whereas you just know your third touch on trend line and you're making money. You make it very simple for yourself and you're making money. And that's the thing about the market, guys, and this is why I don't like ICT in a way, but his content is really good. But the reason I don't like ICT is that he makes it seem as if like you need to trade his strategy. You know what I mean? Like his strategy is the way. This is how the market moves. This is how the market makers move. And it could be, of course, but we shouldn't also deny the fact that there are people who are making money, even though they don't know how truly the market makers move. You know what I mean? So that's the whole point. That's the whole point I'm trying to make, guys. You don't need to learn everything about the markets. There's a point where the learning has to stop. Peace.